What is other storage on Android device and how to clear it? Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Other storage on your Android device refers to a collection of various data types that don't fall into specific categories like photos, videos, or application. In order to identify other storage, you simply need to open Settings, navigate to About Device, and now choose storage option, and here you'll see the order. So it includes cache files, temporary files, system files, and app data like logs and backups. In order to clear all this other storage on your Android device, you can simply clear the cache data. For that, come back to your settings and now go and open apps. Choose app management. Now open a particular applications and go and tap on storage users and tap clear cache. Come back and you can easily do this process for different kinds of applications available on your device. Once you have done that, you can easily go to the other step, that is you can delete unnecessary files. To do that, open My Files or File Manager application. And after that, you can easily navigate to folders like download or miscellaneous and delete unwanted files. You can even uninstall unused application. You can remove application you no longer use to reduce associated data in other storage. You can even clear system locks by restarting your device. So hold down power button and now swipe towards restart. Once you do that, this will clear some system files and logs automatically. Now you can easily navigate to your settings and go through storage or simply about device and tap storage to check your other storage on Android. And you can see that we have successfully cleared some of the gigabytes of the other storage on Android. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any queries, don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.